Today, we are in the community Citrus Trails in Loma Linda, California. We are viewing the Residence 2 model home of the Hamlin floor plan by Lennar Homes. It is a one-story home with optional builder upgrades. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house with a 3-bay garage. It measures approximately 2,094 square feet and features an open floor plan. This spacious living room, also known as a great room, has an elegant fireplace, recessed lighting, and large windows with views to the backyard. The modern kitchen is featured with recessed and pendant lighting, gorgeous countertops, as well as a walk-in pantry. It also is shown with stainless steel appliances, such as stove, dishwasher, double oven, and a microwave. It also has a large single basin sink and a center island with a breakfast bar, which is perfect when you just want a quick bite to eat. The dining room is displayed with a gorgeous chandelier and an access door to the yard. The backyard is spacious and great for entertaining guests for barbecues and get-togethers. Couldn't you just imagine yourself sitting out here right now? You'll notice the attention to detail Lennar Homes has implemented throughout this beautifully designed home. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and click the bell to be notified so you don't miss a thing. If you're thinking of selling your home in the Southern California region and would like to be featured on this channel, please contact me for more information. The master bedroom suite is very nice. It has a large window and an optional master bedroom retreat, which would be a great area to unwind at the end of the day. The master ensuite bathroom is beautiful. It has a large walk-in closet, storage shelves, single and double pulls with plenty of room for both summer and winter clothes. You will also find a private water closet. It has a separate shower and a luxurious soaking tub. And cabinets with dual sinks. This home also includes green features, such as water-conserving plumbing fixtures, LED lighting, dual glazed vinyl windows with energy-efficient Low-E glass, and a tankless water heater. You will find the laundry room featured with cabinets, washer-dryer hookups, and access door to the 3-car garage. The second bedroom has a window and a closet. The guest bathroom has cabinets, dual sinks, and a private water closet with a toilet and also a shower in the bathtub. The third bedroom has a window and a closet. This home also includes heating, air conditioning with a programmable thermostat. Now let's go view the flex room at the front of the home. You'll find the flex room, which could be used as an office or formal living area, and it features views to the front yard. This home truly is an entertainer's delight, And please feel free to share this video with a friend who enjoys model homes. Wasn't that home lovely? Please comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, you'll probably like either of these two as well. And if you're in the Southern California area thinking about buying or selling a home, please give me a call. Susie Valentine, 951-907-4020. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.